Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how you master on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with mastering our tracks. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder right here. This is going to open up this new recording menu where you can see we can get started recording. You can open up any of the instruments, it's all the same. It's going to open up the recording menu. What we want to do is click right here in the upper left corner on this edit mode. That's going to take us to this mixing mode right here where we can get started with mixing our tracks. So you can see I have a total list of all the tracks I have made. I have my drums right here, keyboard, audio recording and so on, and now you can get started mastering. Basically guys, on your phone you have less mastering options because the normalization of the tracks that has been done by the application. On your Mac you have more options, but here you have a couple of options and you can take a look at them right here at the top of the screen. At the sliders option, click on the sliders. This is going to open up your track settings, and now we can get started with finding all the options we can use. So you have your plugins and equalizers right here, your master effects and so on. As you can see, under master effects we can go ahead and get started with adding echo, ambient delay, whatever we want. You can see you can select what right here, and you have your reverb options right here to get your desired effects. You can even go ahead and use some plugins and equalizers such as the noise gate, the visual equalizer, enhanced tuning and so on. All the options that you can use right here to get your desired effect and start mastering your tracks. But you're a bit limited, but you can get started with doing that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.